Big brother, I'm Jerry, the truck seller. Look here, this is FAW Jiefang truck. The box is 7.8 meters long. It's very good. That's the power. Follow me. Excuse me. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's powered by a Jiefang 260 horsepower engine. It's very, very, very strong. Follow me. Hey, big brother. Oh my God. Oh, the interior is very new. Look here. The truck's gearbox from fast. Okay. Oh my God. Truck menu. FAW book. Oh my God. Very new. Follow me. This truck has 80,000 kilometers. This truck is very, 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 very cheap. Exportable the truck only 12K. Like this truck, hit me up. 恭喜发财.